Okay, hi guys, we are here. Basically, first you have to organize everything and also make sure there's nothing metal on the working table. This nickel strip, like laying around, can cause trouble. So at the very first, we have to organize all of the piece which we're gonna use for the build, and also make sure there is nothing metal which can potentially make a short. Where we're gonna build the pack, we have to take precaution on a lot of stuff, and basically I think that this one is like the only safe way, in my opinion, to build a Trumpa battery like we're gonna do. So we have those panels here. The reason I use this panel is for the spacer between each cell, and you can achieve the same result by using fish pepper, but this one is more efficient and more organized. Like, let's suppose after 1 year of usage, here the owner will get like a problem in a series cell. He just have to like get those things out, swap that particular strip, and change it and put it back and do a couple of connections. So using this stuff and not like tape everything around, it's more user friendly, and if he got any problem, but shouldn't happen anyway. I'm gonna use 96 of Samsung 30Q cell, and also 25 millimeter pure nickel strip. As I told you, I have 3D printed those spacer. In those holes, you have to place the cell, and I will also show you the alignment and how you can print those things yourself. I will provide you the STL file in the description. Another thing which I printed is this one. It's just a guide to cut the nickel cell, and at the end I will use this to smooth the edges and also to straighten it up. So this is a long process. It will be like 6 or 7 hours, something like that usually. And the most important thing is being really careful with those cells, because they are very dangerous, like seriously dangerous. In terms of energy mass, those cells have more, they are more energy dense than dynamite, so be really careful. And also, so precaution. The only things which we don't want is a short. You don't want a short in your cell. And this precaution which I'm gonna take, they are a must. So don't even think to build a battery pack without those precautions. And if you don't feel you can do, you can take the same precaution, just simply don't do it. It's dangerous. Let's start. So the very first, I just want to put everything together, see the cell alignment and stuff. Then we're gonna wait. Maybe I will cut the nickel strip first, and then we can arrange the cell. So I put this dangerous things away from me and start with the nickel. Guys, I will smooth the edges. You don't want a sharp edge because they can potentially cut the cell. And then we're gonna break those things up, clean everything with a degreaser. In my case, acetone. You can also use isopropyl alcohol. And let's go. Okay guys, everything start to take form. Now I want to just glue those stuff together and attach it like this. Then we're gonna start soldering the nickel strip, and first of course you want to insulate the positive pole with fish paper. So if something went wrong with the nickel strip, I don't know, it gets hot or something like that, you're covered because you have fish paper. So, and also another thing which I want to do is clean all of the greasy contact to the cell too, so we have the best contact area possible. Okay guys, here we go. So now we basically have laced the fish paper. Now I want to degrease all of the surface and also checking each cell voltage. Now we're gonna start the spot welding process. I will also clean up the nickel strip, and that's it. So remember, with nickel strip, if you're using like this one is 15mm on 0.15, this it's rated for like 60 amperes. So careful to calculate your ampere rate, because other way it will overheat and cause some problem. So I will spot weld the cell, and see you later guys. Okay guys, voila, I finished the spot welding on all the cell, and also when you finish one, cover the exposed part with some tape so you don't get any shorts. Now I have to attach the power cable, and to do that I take two of the previous strip. I will insert the wire like this, of course strip head, and then at the end I will put one strip and this one spot welded. So we have to peel this one off, stretch it, put it here, solder it, and then repeat the same process with the negative one, and we've almost finished. So let's go. Guys, I finally finished the battery, so I just made the contact from the BMS cable, all split in, so you have to put the negative, the black one, to the negative of the battery, and then each red on each positive side after the first negative. It's very easy, and also every BMS comes with the schematic, so you can't make mistakes. So now I will probably just finish a couple of things and then try to charge it up, see if everything is working. Then I will fully discharge it and charge it again, see if the balance is working properly and all of the other stuff. Then we're gonna wrap this thing and we are ready.